The Bissell CrossWave OmniForce Cordless Multi-Surface Hard Floor Cleaner and Mop is a versatile cleaning tool from Bissell designed to tackle both wet and dry messes. This cordless device combines vacuuming and mopping in one unit, offering up to 30 minutes of continuous use. It features a dedicated dry vacuum mode, making it adaptable for various cleaning needs across multiple floor types. This cleaner works effectively on hard floors such as tile, sealed wood, and laminate, while also revitalizing rugs. It kills 99.9% of bacteria on sealed surfaces using the Bissell Hard Floor Sanitize formula. The cell uses The brush roll incorporates tangle-free technology to prevent hair wrap and includes a self-cleaning cycle that rinses the brush roll automatically for easy maintenance. This ensures hassle-free operation and keeps the device performing optimally. Ideal for busy households with pets or children, this multi-surface cleaner simplifies floor care by combining several functions into one device. Its cordless design and efficient sanitization make it perfect for those seeking thorough, convenient cleaning. The Bissell CrossWave OmniForce offers a practical solution for maintaining spotless and refreshed floors